Buonasera, paesani. I say buonasera, not buongiorno, because as you can see, it's very dark. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. And no, I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping because I want to make this video. Why? To show everybody that I'm human too. What do I mean by that? Yes, from my videos, I'm usually in a good mood. I'm always peppy. I'm always positive. But I want you all to know that I'm human too. I get bad days. I get down days. And lately, I've been on a bit of a downer. I've been getting anxiety. I've been feeling a little down. I don't know why, but it's just that way, I guess. Change of season. I really don't know. I've been asking myself that question over and over again. I'm just not motivated. That's why I've been putting up motivational videos and it's not working. So maybe it's all the violence out there. It's so discouraging to see so many people dying for no reason. So much hate in the world, so much sadness. I really don't know what's going on. But I just want you all to know that, yes, 90% of the time I'm in a good mood. I'm a happy person. I try to live life to its fullest. But don't kid yourself. I'm human too. And I have my bad days too. I have my downers too. So I'm going to try to pick myself up. And hopefully you can go by my example and try to pick yourself up too. Because we all have our problems. We all have hard things to deal with in life. It's not always easy. Every day has its own problems, its own complications. So hang in there, and I'll be doing the same. And that's it. I just want to tell you that life's not rosy for me either, although I try to make it that way. Try to see the best in everything, but I have my down days too. So that's it. Until the next video, until next time, please stay positive e ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.